I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the Android version and where the device stores wallpapers, because options vary by OEM. Open Settings and go to Wallpaper or Lock Screen Settings now. That's the first actionable step. Make sure the video you want is saved in Gallery or Files so it appears as a selectable asset. Once done, tap the Wallpaper or Lock Screen entry to proceed. This step exposes the menu where you can choose a live or video wallpaper option. Now select Choose Wallpaper or Add Wallpaper and pick Video or Live Wallpaper. You're telling the system to use motion content. You'll often need to trim or crop the clip. Do this to match screen aspect ratio and keep playback short so battery drain stays low. Preview the video to check alignment and motion. Make sure important subjects aren't cut off. If the option appears, choose Lock Screen only versus both home and lock screens, depending on your preference. Finally, tap Apply or Set and confirm you want it on the lock screen. This writes the change immediately. If the video doesn't play, check Power Saving Mode or Battery Optimization. It often stops animated wallpapers. Also verify storage and wallpaper permissions. If format issues persist, convert the file to MP4 using a simple converter and reduce resolution to prevent stutter. Lower bitrate helps on older phones. If problems continue, restart the phone and reapply the wallpaper to finalize the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.